Hello, this is Keith All, and today's tutorial will be on how you can create a stunning book cover using two programs, one called Canva and the other one called Builderall. So let's first go to Canva. Canva is an online program where it allows you to create images, and I'm using the free version of it. So basically I have Canva open, and all I did was click on templates over here, searched on book cover, and it sorts out all these different book covers that you could choose from, and you can edit these. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select any book cover, and what you could do is you could well, actually this might be not a free one. Yeah, this is not a free image, so look for the ones that say free on it. So I'm going to choose this one instead. So if you come over here, you could edit these by just clicking on each element or text element that you have, and you could change the background and everything. So I'm not going to change anything at this time, but basically you could come in here and you could choose the free ones that say free, and it'll allow you to edit the text on there, edit the background image that's on there and everything, and then you could save it. So basically, I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to edit any of these. But what I'm gonna do is now come over here to the upper right. It says download, and so I'm gonna select download, and I'm gonna select whether or not you want to select a PNG or a JPEG. It doesn't matter, and I'm just gonna call this book cover up here. Give me a second. Okay, let's go back over here. PNG. Now I'm going to select download. As you can see over here in the bottom left, it's downloading the image. Give it a few seconds. Okay, it's done downloading the image. Now let's go over to our Builderall back office. And over here, what you want to do is you want to get to the photo studio. If you look over here to the left, it has a menu item called Design. If you click on this down arrow, click on Design Studio. I know I said Photo Studio, but it's Design Studio. Now these are mock-ups. So basically what these are is you can insert an image into these other images that they have here. So you can insert it into a mobile phone or a tablet or a computer. You have many different options. So if you click on filters, these are all the options that you have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select book. So it sorts everything. So these are all the different mock-ups now that I can insert my book cover into. So I'm just going to select any one of these. A lot of these are transparent. So I'm just going to select, let's select this one. Give it a second. Okay, it brought up the image. So what we have to do now is I want to, as you hover over this upload image, you can see over to the right or over to the left, it puts a red outline around the area where it's going to insert the book cover. So I'm going to click on Upload Image. And I'm going to select this book cover, which is what we just created in Canva. Open it up. And now what we want to do is we want to bring the image that's within those red lines. So now I'm going to click Done. Okay, it brought me back to this image. Now since this button is now green, now all I have to do is click on See Results. Give it a few seconds here. Okay, as you can see now, it inserted the image right onto that mock-up. So that's basically how you could create a stunning image book, a stunning book cover using two programs, Canva and Builderall. So I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you today. Stop by often because I do many tutorials using the Builderall platform and other programs too. So at this point, since you created this, all you have to do is just click on Download. You have many different options of the sizes that you could choose from. Click Download. It'll download it to your PC or Mac. So again, thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video. Bye now.